or what happened? I request to Gopi Chandran Sahib for his address. Gopi Chandran Sahib, Dr. Gopi Chandran. Now I request to Dr. Shalat Sahib, Executive Chairman NCCST, for his very brief address. Sir. Shalat.
Thank you, Nisha. And I think we have very good discussion, particularly in the new decade, that is 2030. We are entering into very complex educational system, complex agriculture research system, complex marketing system. And all these are interrelated. So we have been talking about variety of things, but I will confine and raise issues related to 2 or 3 important issues. We have normal agriculture activity where we use pesticide, fertilizer, we use balanced fertilizer, we use balanced pesticides. And now we have Prakrutik agriculture. So we have now 2 streams of research, one for Prakrutik Kheti, another for non-Prakrutik Kheti, and third one for mix of both. Similarly, when we are talking about research institutions, we have under CSIR, the research institution related to horticulture. So we need now integrated research system from soil to marketing. Entire activity is done for agriculture product, whether it is 1 crop or 2 crop or 3 crop. And then only we will be able to give our results to farmers. Third, most importantly, we have a large number of research institutions, but we have no limitation on within how many years the research which is proven to be successful by scientists is going to be farmers. Can we fix some accountability related to this with agriculture universities, that you have done this research? Now within 2 years, 1 year it should be within 5 kilometers of radius, and in 5 years in the entire state. So these are different facets of the new agriculture system which we are going to face, and we are quite capable of doing it. So far we have done a wonderful work as a nation, as agriculture scientists. Our farmers have done very well, our administration has done well, our extension administration, Dr. Sadamate is here, he will talk about it, have done wonderful job. So the new complexities of 2030, in which there will be again the impacts of climate change, different kind of pandemics like what we are going through now, and maybe more may come. So along with what we are doing, we need to design for the future. And this design should be region specific, university specific, so that we can anticipate what kind of new changes are going to come and how to meet with. Since we have many speakers, Dr. Sarasya is also there, our former director of agriculture. I see Dr. Gotia. All these people may like to share their views. So I go back to Nisa, and please go ahead. Thank you for giving me opportunity.